What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today we're adding a second brood box. Alright guys, so this is kind of a continuation of the last video, which was kind of prepping this second brood box by wiring the frames here. But really primarily today we're just going to go through the steps of adding that second brood box to the hive here. So I'm going to go pretty minimal on this. Sun's still out, bees are doing their thing, but really it's just a matter of taking off the top there and sliding this over. I'm going to get my smoker going just in case. I don't think I'm going to wear my bee veil, but I will be putting my hair up for this. Really all I'm going to use is my pry tool here to get in there, get through the propolis. It's good too because it's spring, we're getting into May. I'm actually considering harvesting some honey soon, but I do have to get in there and kind of evaluate, see what's going on. One of the main reasons why I'm adding this box is because I saw a crazy swarm just a few feet away. I don't know if the hive split or not. I am new to this. You guys feel free to put comments down below. But I'm gonna get in there, see what the population looks like and stuff. But this isn't something you want to do in the winter because you need things to be crowded in there so they can vibrate to keep each other warm. So they could probably use a little extra space. It's getting warm out, and that'll encourage them to grow their population more. So as far as that swarm, this happened very late last night. I was up a little late, and I was expecting it to still be around this morning, but it had already taken off. So I didn't have an extra trap or an extra brood box to start again, another colony. So that's kind of a shame, but it is encouraging me to set up a trap. And so if they come around the vicinity again, or even if they did find a home, maybe they'll prefer this home. So yeah, let's dive into it. So before I get really started, I'm just going to get the smoker going here. Start with a piece of paper. Throw some organic material in there. Some old banana leaves. Go ahead and top that off with a little bit of cardboard. So if you guys didn't know, the whole purpose of the smoker is gives the bees a sense of urgency, but it also kind of chills them out. It's good to throw a little smoke in there when you're working with bees, just so they don't freak out. Cap that up, give it a few squeezes, get the fire going. Okay. All right, so that's going. I've got my pry tool, and I'll go ahead and pan you guys around to the brooder box. So I've since just kind of put some reinforcement here, so kind of like a makeshift overhang so no one gets wet. Let me get that out of here. And I am in the flight path here, so I'm gonna move some things around a little bit. So we'll first pop off the top here, which does have a little bit of propolis. Got a few flying out. Actually had a cockroach in there, and a couple of little beetles and some fire ants. All right, so one thing to note that I did have a queen bee separator in there initially, which I'll go ahead and take out this time around. But I'm gonna give these guys a little bit of smoke. Not going too nuts. All right, and we'll take off this top piece. Lots of propolis. Just kind of prying everything. Give it a little shake. Okay. I'm gonna give them a little bit more smoke. that down for a minute. Got a couple of bumps, that's all right. Try not to freak out. All right, now we're gonna take off this queen bee extruder. Being careful not to interrupt the bees here. Give them a little more smoke. Let things calm down. Try to move a little quicker. Give them a little space, a little breathing room. Okay. We got a couple of bumps. Trying to relax here. I am intruding in their home. All right. There we go. Give it a little shake. Put that down. Won't be needing that. Got a little bump. It's all right. All right. So I'll go ahead and bring you guys in so you can see how I lay down the second box on there. I'm going to be careful, trying not to crush too much here. I probably should have brought a brush. So right now I'm just kind of fine-tuning things into place. Definitely getting some bumps here and there. There we go. All right. Had a bee in my hair, sorry guys. Let me get some grass so I can use it as a brush. So the queen extruder, gonna put that out the window, and we're gonna put this guy back on. We do have some bees on it. I'm gonna try to brush everyone off real quick. A little low on smoke. They've calmed down a little bit since I stepped away too. Let's give this a quick shake. Give these guys a little nudge. All right. All right, guys. If you saw that, obviously I got attacked. I'm gonna finish this up. They're obviously pretty pissed. I'm not going to spray any smoke, just putting the lid on here for now. Loosely. Okie dokie, guys. So hopefully I showed you guys a lesson there. In case you couldn't tell, I got attacked very badly. Yeah, so I'll probably wear my bee veil from now on. When I was kind of trying to check on things, I think I really prolonged how long all that should have taken. And by the time I started messing around with boxes and stuff, they were kind of fed up. So one lesson to learn is you have to work quickly. I did go back in and retrieve a bee veil and put on a long sleeve shirt. But yeah, I got hit up all over the arm, the neck, my eye, my lips. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it comes along with what I'm doing. But yeah, in the future, I think I will insure myself with the bee veil. In all the little experiences I've done this, I've been bumped here and there, like little warnings. I've had little stings, and I kind of went off. These guys followed me all around the front yard, and they were deliberate. So I must have gotten close to a queen or something. It could be that the sun's going down. Maybe I did it a little too late in the day, and they're kind of trying to cozy up, and they're frustrated that I'm messing with their home. So hopefully the few stings there were worth a good example for you guys. Feel free to put any comments below. I know one thing off the bat is I could have brushed everything off a little better when I put the second box in. I was just trying to accelerate things and work a little quicker because I realized I was testing their patience. All right, guys, feel free to put comments down below, and be sure to subscribe for more entertaining videos like this. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.